A lot of people have been asking what I've been up to in the forge, and I'm making a replacement railing for the back of the house. This is some of the scroll work that I'm working on now. These are 20-inch bars of 5/8 square that are forged flat on the ends, and I am using a monkey bar and a form that I've made up to bend the radius on the legs of this scroll. So now I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it back into the forge, and I'm going to heat up one leg. So it'll go back in the forge and it'll get up to about 18 or 1900 degrees. Certainly what I would call white hot. Doesn't necessarily have to be this hot, but it certainly makes it a lot easier to twist and bend that 5/8 square. I'm not sure why I had a little trouble here, but I had to modify the scroller and work out some kinks in it to make sure that I could get good, consistent scrolls each time. So there's one side, and we'll go and flip this over, and I'll pick it up again, and I will put it back in the forge to heat up that other leg that has now cooled down, and it'll be in there for about 5 minutes. I like to do all of the processes on this scroll at one time to try and conserve energy, but also to not burn all the carbon out of the steel. So I've heated it back up, and this is the second scroll. And it works pretty well. I had to modify the teeth so that it would hold on to the bar better. Now we're going to take and we're going to put the whole scroll back into the forge and heat everything up to, again, approximately 1800 degrees. Now, it's not very flat at this point because of all the scroll work. So this is just 2 plates, and with 50 tons, I'm just going to come down and kiss that and make that perfectly flat, which really makes the finished product look very nice. Now here's the gate the railing that I'm replacing. It's from 1932, and you can see the top is separated and a lot of it is very rusty. In the background is a gate that I made 2 years ago, and it has this same scroll work in it and some birdcage spindles. So I've laid out some of the scrolls and some of the bars on the floor, and this is what the replacement railing will look like. So now I have just another 46 of those scrolls to make, and the rest of the fabrication. So I'll post another video later when I'm closer to completion. Thanks.